Hi.
Now you look like an angel. What you laughing? What you laughing? Abraham Lincoln TV. William. What are you, my guy? How much did you pay for this?
Like 79 Robux.
How much is that?
Are you Bro.
Is that Drake?
Drake!
Is that Drake?
Drake! She used to. Ah! No! Don't hit me! Ah! Ah! Yeah, look at this sexy young man, bruh. What? Gingerbread man!
Hell no.
Yeet! Yeet, is that you?
Yes, it's me.
Original Yeet.
Bro.
Yo, chill.
There's Yeet. Hello.
Fuck.
Oh,
Don't worry about me.
I'm 9.
You're 9?
Hello.
Are you vegan?
Are you vegan?
I'm French. Goodbye. Bonjour.
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 You're French.
Yes.
You live in Paris?
No.
Oh.
Where you live?
Le monde.
Are you Russian?
Maybe?
No. Hababa?
No. He looks like someone that like killed. Okay.
Killed what? Turozo.
Turozo. Wassup?
Meow meow, senpai!
Okay. Okay.
Noxamo.
Yeah, shut up.
Oh!
Noxamo. Oh. Eat the greedy. Eat the greedy.
Eat the greedy right now. 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 Eat it. She got a Toro shirt. Nice. W.
Yeah, that's nice. Man, you did not say that. You did not say that, bro.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I regret that too.
Bro, ain't no way you got a feet fucking brother.
Nah, that's full. That's full, my guy.
You know what is this?
Yeah.
What is that? For your eyes. Okay?
Yeah, yeah.
Look at me.
Ah!
Don't cry, baby. It's okay, it's okay.
Yo, what's that behind you?
What? Bro really did me dirty. Oh my gosh.
Bro.
What? What? I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. Oh my gosh. What is this, bro?
What did it do to deserve this?
Stop. Ah!
Gotta look it.
Gotta look it.
I gotta show you this this trick. This is a kick that you gotta learn, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
My leg!
Doing push-ups.